Precision-cut composite materials are transformed by robotic automation, culminating in the advanced electronic warfare capabilities of the A-18 Growler.
Check the flow rate on meter 2.
Reading steady. Batch identification confirmed for process B.
We have 12 minutes remaining on the out time clock for this batch.
Confirmed. Apply sequence 4052. Orientation matches the schematic.
The fine, dark gray specialized metallic powder is slowly metered into the epoxy resin inside a pressurized mixing.
This heat soak stage ensures complete polymerization of the specialized epoxy resin, eliminating internal stresses and
The pressure valves regulate the internal pressure,
maintaining several atmospheres of compression. This immense force ensures
The cooling cycle initiates, rapidly decreasing temperature and pressure. Cold gas is injected to prevent thermal shock.
the immense autoclave door slowly opens, releasing a plume of pressurized air. The fully
The A-18G Growler antenna housing is secured. The CMM's automated probe begins its
The Growler antenna housing undergoes rigorous stress testing. Specialized pads simulate extreme G-forces.
Naturmacy. A thin layer of adhesion promoter is precisely applied to the etched surface. The UV light ensures instant
This receiver antenna measures the reflected energy, verifying the RAM coating's effectiveness for the electronic warfare mission.
The data looks clean on the Growler housing.
Yes, reflectivity is nominal. We have a confirmed pass on the VX23 component. Okay, the texture and color consistency look good.
Confirmed. All mounting points are precise. Ready for sign-off.
Warning. This is a high-priority shipment. Secure transport protocol is now active.
The Growler antenna housing is secured. The final distribution phase is now underway.
Manifest and identification, please.
Here you go.
Seals verified. You're all set. Proceed to the depot. Ground control, this is Sierra Lima 1. Crate secured.
Copy that, Chief. Proceed with unlatching sequence.
The alignment pins on the port side need a final wipe. Ensure the electrical connections are full seated.
Copy, boss. Looks good to go.
Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment pin. Got it. Looks good here.
EWW system reports operational, full integrity. Growler ready for mission.
The A-18G Growler's specialized composite structure and radar-absorbent material coating maintain perfect.
The A-18G Growler's specialized coating is crucial, reducing the radar signature at
the A-18G Growler aggressively maneuvers, deploying flares and chaff, while its specialized antenna housing suppresses enemy radar signals.
As the Growler touches down, the electronic countermeasure housing remains perfectly intact, confirming its structural resilience.
Another smooth flight. She's all yours, Chief. Roger that, sir. We'll have her ready.